Open up the piano and let's play Nearer My God to Thee. Nearer my God to Thee, nearer to Thee. Even though it be a cross that raiseth me. Good news! This song doesn't use any black keys, so everything will be on the white keys only. With all white keys in this song, it's super beginner friendly, so now let's check out the chords. There's a total of 3 chords for this song. The first chord, we have a C major chord, where our right hand, we're going to put our right hand thumb on C, finger 3 on E, finger 5 on G. Okay, so our right hand forms C major chord in the root position. However, for my left hand, we are going to use the first note, okay, which is the C, and then we use the third note of the chord, and that's a G. And then we're going to stretch up 1 octave to C. Okay, so for my left hand, it's going to be a 5, 2, 1, and hold, and hold. So if we put it together, it's going to be a both left, both, and a right, and right. One more time. Both left, both, and a right, and right. Okay, so these are the notes for our C major chord. Right hand C, E, G, left hand a C, G, C. Next chord, we have a G major, where our right hand, we're going to go to a first inversion, where we're going to put our thumb on B, and finger 2 on D, finger 5 on G. Okay, B, D, G for our right hand. As for my left hand, we're going to shift up to G, D, and G. Okay, so if we put it together, both left, both, and right is going to be like this. Both left, both, and a right, and right. One more time. Both left, both, and a right, and right. Okay, so this is the chord for our G major chord. And lastly, we have a F major chord. We're going to move our right hand up to middle C again. Finger 3 on F, and finger 5 on A. And our left hand move to F, C, and F. So if we put it together, our playing pattern, both left, both, and right is going to be like this. Both left, both, and a right, and right. Again, both left, both, and a right, and right. Okay, so since there's no chorus to this song, there's only 3 verses for this song. So we're going to keep it one simple pattern. Both left, both, and a right, and right on C. For our G, both left, both, and a right, and right. And for F, both left, both, and a right, and right. Here are all the chords you need for this song. Take a moment to pause and practice, switching between them until it feels smooth for your playing. If you would like to understand the formula behind major and minor chords, be sure to check out my piano chords video, link below. And if you would like a printable version of this chord sheet, I have prepared it as part of my resources for every of my tutorial on Patreon to take your learning further, so do check it out as well. Before we add any playing patterns, if you are a beginner, I recommend bringing up the chord sheet and just playing each chord once for every change while you sing along with the song. Now this will help you get used to the words and the exact spot where the chord switches. So here's a quick example of how that looks. Nearer my God to Thee, C. Nearer to G chord, C again. Though it be a cross that raiseth me. This was just a short example, but you will want to practice this for the entire song and make sure you know exactly where the chord changes happen. I've made the full chord sheet available on my Patreon for download and printing, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So once you're comfortable with the chord changes, you know where to put your fingers, we can start adding the different patterns for the song. So let's do verse 1 slowly with the playing pattern both left, both, and right. For a full bar, okay, however for a half a bar, it's gonna be a both left, both. That's all. So let's try verse 1 slowly with the first chord, half a bar of C. Near How about G? R, my. One bar of F, full bar. Got to the C chord. Nearer to G chord. V. Half about C. E. Half about G. Do, it. One bar F. B. Cross. Half about C. That. Half about G. Razor. One bar C. Me. Half about C. Still. Half about F. All my. One bar C. Song shall be. Half about C. Near. Half about F. R, my. One bar G. God to thee. Half about C. Near. Half about G. R, my. One bar F. God to thee. Half about C. Near. Half about G. R, to. One bar C. Thee. Alright, so let's put verse 1 smoothly together. Ready? 1, 2, and we go. Nearer, my God, to thee. Nearer to thee. G chord, half about C. E change. Do, E change. B, cross, half about C. That change. Raiseth me. Full bar C. Half about C. Still. How about F? All my. One bar C. Song shall be. Half about C. Nearer, my God, to thee. How about C again? Near change. My God, to thee. How about C? Nearer to thee. And right and right. Let's move on to verse 2 where the chord progression is exactly the same. So let's try it slowly. Half about C coming up. Though. Half about G. Like the. One bar F. Wanderer. One bar C. The sun gone. One bar G. Down. Half about C. Dark. Half about G. Nurse B. One bar F. Over me. Half about C. My. Half about G. Rest a. One bar C. Stone. Half about C. Yet. Half about F. In my. One vowel C. Dreams I'll be. Half vowel C. Near. Half vowel F. R, my. One vowel G. God to thee. Half a vowel C. Near. Half a vowel G. R, my. One vowel F. God to thee. Half a vowel C. Near. Half a vowel G. R to. One vowel C. Thee. To and bright and right. Let's try verse 2 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, and we go. Though like the wanderer. One vowel C. The sun gone G. Down. And right and right. How about C? Dark. How about G? Nurse. B, F. Over me. How about C? My. How about G? Rest. a stone. Half a bar of C coming up. Yet in my dreams I'll be, half a bar of C, nearer my God to thee. Half a bar of C, near change my God to thee. C G C, nearer to thee. And a right and right. Let's move on to verse 3, where the chord progression is exactly the same as verse 1 and verse 2. So one last verse. Let's try it slowly. The first chord, half a bar of C. There, half a bar of G. Let the, one bar of F. Way appear. One bar of C. Steps onto hair. One bar of G. Vern. And a right and right. Half a bar of C, all, half a bar of G, that thou, one bar of F, sendest me, half a bar of C, immer, half a bar of G, C, G, one bar of C, vern, half a bar of C, ing, half a bar of F, just to, one bar of C, beckon me, half a bar of C, near, half a bar of F, my, one bar of G, God, to thee. Last line, half a bar of C, near, half a bar of G, my, one bar of F, God, to thee. Half a bar of C, near, half a bar of G, to, and last one bar of C, thee, and a right and right. Let's try verse 3 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, and we go. There, let the way appear. C, steps onto heaven. Half a bar of C and G. All that thou sendest me. Half a bar of C and G. In mercy given. Half a bar of C and F. Angels to beckon me. Half a bar of C and F. Near my God to thee. C, near G, my God to thee. How about C and G? Near to thee. And a right and right. And this marks the end of my tutorial. Great work today! Now every time you practice, you are getting better and more confident at the piano. If you would like the extra support, I prepared resources like chord sheets, diagrams on my Patreon page to guide your learning further. My next video will be a practice track for this song, so be sure to check that out and practice together with me. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and share so you won't miss what's coming next. Now keep learning, have fun. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.